Hello and welcome to Brooks Code. Recently I've been learning SQL and MySQL and I downloaded this fantastic VS Code extension called SQL Tools so that I can practice. However, I've encountered a couple of problems and I want to share the solutions that I've found with you. So first I'm going to make a basic query. I've got a database set up already. Select all from customer, run on active connection. Okay, and then if I change the query slightly. Now this is the first problem. Every time I punch in a new query and hit run on active connection, it opens it up in a new tab. So if you're making like 5 queries a minute, that's just going to get really monotonous and irritating. But luckily there's a very simple solution. If you go to File, Preferences and Settings, or use the keyboard shortcut, punch in the name of your extension. In my case it's SQL Tools. Go to the very bottom, near enough the very bottom, and this is the setting that you're looking for. SQL Tools Results Reuse Tabs. How requests reuse results tabs. Currently it's set to never. You need to change that and set it to connection instead. And now if I keep just one tab open, this is the agents table, and if I change that to customer, run on active connection, and it opens in another connection. I think it usually takes a minute to kick in. I'll try that again. So right now I've got the customer tab, run on active agents, run on active connection, and it opens agents, and then let's try with customer, run on active connection, and it's all happening in the same tab now. Now another small problem that I have is this run on active connection. Every time I punch in a query, I've got to move my hand towards the mouse, then direct the pointer to this. And again, that's time consuming if you're doing it every 20 seconds. And luckily there's a solution to this as well. File, Preferences, keyboard shortcuts, and I've already got it here. Type in run query, go to run current query, and under key binding, right click, add key binding, and then just punch in your desired combination to make your keyboard shortcut, and then press enter. Luckily, let's say you do something common like Control S, it will tell you that an existing command is already in use, so it's better to choose something else instead. For this specific keyboard shortcut, I went with Control F8, if it'll play ball. Yeah. Control F8, which isn't in use by anything else. So now if I punch in a new, select all from agents, Control F8, job done. Thanks for watching.